Image Convert to PDF is a versatile Android application that allows users to convert various image formats into PDF documents easily. This app is designed for efficiency, enabling individuals to transform photos or graphics into a standardized PDF file, which is ideal for sharing and storing images in a more compact and accessible format. Typically, the application features a user-friendly interface that simplifies the conversion process. Users can import images from their device's gallery or directly capture new photos using the camera. Once images are selected, the app allows for easy adjustments, such as reordering pages, resizing images, and adding simple annotations if necessary. In addition, Image Convert to PDF often supports multiple image formats, including JPEG, PNG, and BMP, making it flexible for various user needs. The app may also include options for adjusting the quality and resolution of the output PDF, ensuring that users achieve the desired results. Overall, Image Convert to PDF is a valuable tool for anyone needing to convert images into PDFs quickly and efficiently, whether for professional, academic, or personal purposes.